As a lot of Nigerians continue to groan under the rising cost of living, occasioned by the rise in the dollar rate, a good percentage of Nigerians are still having this in their favor because they are earning in dollars. And in this tutorial, we're going to be exploring 10 smart ways that a lot of Nigerians are making money in dollars in the online space. Perhaps at the end of this video, you will be inspired to start one or two yourself. Hi there, welcome back to Smart Cubes of TV with me, Miri Adole. Here we talk a lot on how to make money online and also a lot on sales, marketing and advertising. If you're new to this channel, please do not leave watching this tutorial without smashing on the subscribe button and also turning on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I post similar videos just like this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back as always. You know I love you. Now the first on my list is Facebook content monetization. So recently, Facebook introduced content monetization to the Nigerian Facebook platform, and a lot of Nigerians have been reaping the benefits, earning in dollars from their content after they have met certain requirements on their page and on their content. And if you're interested in this, I have created several detailed tutorials on how to actually go about monetizing your content on Facebook, whether it's video content or text-based content, and I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this particular video so that you can go check them out. The second on my list is YouTube content monetization. So just like Facebook, YouTube content monetization allows creators to make money from their video content after they have met certain criteria. And for YouTube, you would need to get up to 4,000 hours of watch time within 1 year and at least 1,000 subscribers before you can start to monetize your content. And you can make content around anything from how-to videos to comedy videos. And if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel so that you can start making money from content, there are a plethora of content on YouTube that you can start with. The third on my list is blogging. So consider blogging as a text-based form of YouTube content creation. So while YouTube is all about video content creation, blogging is all about creating long-form text-based content around your area of interest or your passion. And once you've met all the requirements for monetization, you can go ahead to start making money when ads are placed on your website. And trust me, a lot of Nigerians since the days of Linda Ikeji have been making money from blogging. The fourth on my list is offering their services. A lot of Nigerians make money by offering their skills as a service to foreign clients in the online space. So for instance, a copywriter can position on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork and even social media platforms like LinkedIn, and they attract copywriting gigs from foreign clients. So the foundation to actually starting with this is ensuring that you have a high in demand skill like copywriting, artificial intelligence, programming, even social media management, and ensuring that you have visibility on platforms where you can get foreign gigs. If you're interested in learning any high in demand skill and even getting a certification on it, I'm going to be leaving a link to a video I created recently where I talked about platforms where you can go learn any skill for free and also get certifications. The fifth on my list is social media management. So a lot more people are bringing their businesses in the online space and they are looking for skilled and talented social media managers to manage their businesses for them. And Nigerians who have positioned themselves as talented social media managers and are able to attract foreign clients are making waves. So if you're already a social media manager and you're looking for ways to make money in dollars, all you have to do is to position on platforms where you can actually attract foreign clientele, just like Upwork, Fiverr or even LinkedIn. Then the sixth on my list is Amazon KDP. So this one is quite popular and a lot of Nigerians are actually making waves in this area. All you have to do is to create books and upload them to Amazon KDP, which is actually a global platform for print-on-demand books and also ebooks. So if you're looking for how to excel in Amazon KDP as well, I have a couple of videos around this area, or you can also go on YouTube and research and you would find videos that would help you start with Amazon KDP. And the good part about Amazon KDP, and in fact most of these areas I've listed, is that the income is passive. So sometimes you get to earn money even without doing anything because of the work that you have done in the past. The seventh on my list is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is just the way of earning commissions from selling other people's products. So there are a lot of affiliate marketing platforms in Nigeria, but not all of them actually pays you commission in dollars. So the ones that actually pays you commission in dollars are the ones that a lot of Nigerians are using to cash out. So in the description of this tutorial, you're going to be finding a lot of resources to help you start out with any of these areas that we've talked about. So the 8th on my list is online tutoring or coaching. So a lot of Nigerians who have built expertise and authority in one area or the other are actually making money in dollars by serving foreign clients. For instance, I know someone who is a public speaking coach, and she organizes both group and personal based coaching sessions, and she has a lot of people from the US who pay her for her one-on-one coaching programs, and she makes money in dollars. So if you consider yourself an expert in your niche, you can actually position yourself so that you can serve foreign clients. I also know a lot of people on LinkedIn who offer LinkedIn optimization services, and because LinkedIn is a global networking platform, they are able to get people to sign up from other countries, and they get paid in foreign currencies like the dollars. The 9th on my list is running paid ads. This is my area of expertise, and I can guarantee that this works because I have a couple of clients who actually patronize me for my ad services. So as a YouTube, Google and Facebook ads expert, I have positioned myself on places like LinkedIn and even Facebook, and through referrals also, I'm able to get foreign clients and they pay me in dollars. I mean, it's so sweet. I've actually tried Upwork in the past, and yes, Upwork was actually recommending jobs for me, people who are actually looking for my services, just that I really wasn't settled on Upwork, so I wasn't able to do meaningful work on the platform. If you're interested in learning how to run Facebook and Instagram ads as well as Google ads so that you can attract foreign clientele, we can jump on a one-on-one call. All you have to do is to send me a message on WhatsApp. Of course, my WhatsApp link is going to be in the description of this tutorial. And the 10th on my list is virtual assistant. So a lot of Nigerians are making money in dollars, especially from places like Fiverr and Upwork and even LinkedIn, by serving as virtual assistants to foreign clients. So they offer services like writing emails and other administrative jobs to foreign clients and foreign businesses. Some of them act as personal assistants to CEOs and C-suite business executives, and they're making money from it. If this is something that you're interested in, there are also a lot of video tutorials on YouTube that you can find to help you start your virtual assistant journey. So these are 10 smart ways that a lot of Nigerians are making money in dollars in Nigeria, and some of them are actually simple. They just require that you learn the skill and then position yourself rightly to attract these foreign clientele. So let's go over them again. The first on my list was Facebook content monetization. The second was YouTube content monetization. The third was blogging. The fourth was offering their skills as services to foreign clients. And the fifth was social media management. Then we have Amazon KDP. We have affiliate marketing. We have online tutoring or coaching, running paid ads, and of course, virtual assistant. So which of these are you interested in? Which of these are you going to be starting in the coming year? Go to the comment section and tell me which of these you're interested in. The one that dominates in the comment section is the one I get to create a detailed tutorial on so that you can learn more about it. But like I said, you're going to be finding links in the description of this video. The videos I've created in the past detailing how all of this actually works. Thank you very much for staying until this part of the tutorial. You are the real MVP. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button so that you become a part of our family, just like I've said earlier, and you won't miss out when I post similar videos just like this one. And it's a wrap on this tutorial. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next one.